Hello everyone. We are now start the topic pollution in Delhi NCR, which is difficult to manage. To the introduction part, we can get news repeatedly nowadays about pollution which rises from October. Yes, pollution rises very frequently. Pollution of Delhi NCR which got rises from mid-October very frequently. But why so? Do anyone think about the reason? Okay, I think everyone think about its reason and all comes on some facts like we know about forest fire reason. We also heard about Diwali cracker reason, but what is there which we don't know from news only? But we may know with logic only. Let's see. If we talk about the logic behind this pollution, then we come to know there are some more facts also there which are not covered in news. Actual reason behind pollution in Delhi NCR, we have to take a look on before and after situation. Like if we want to examine the change, we have to compare before and after situation to come to know the change. Let's start this from the time before October this year. What actually Delhi filled with? Traffic pollution, air pollution by factories, pollution by the kitchen from residential areas, rest pollution caused by a lot of population in Delhi NCR. Now we come to know that pollution is filled Delhi completely. Like whatever the plantation available in Delhi is actually fighting with normal pollution arises daily. Still, somehow pollution is at its maximum limit in Delhi NCR as per the availability of plants and greenery there. Due to the above reason, Delhi NCR is already filled with a lot of air pollution. And then it's time for October. This is the time when farmers cut the crops and the waste from crops are meant to destroy. The waste should meant for destroy only, but farmers cannot find the exact way or place to destroy it. So the farmer destroy them by burning them in open area, which caused a lot of pollution. These forest fires exist in Punjab and Haryana itself. Burning crops in open area is actually the easiest way to destroy them completely, and it's convenient too. These forest fires exist in Punjab and Haryana itself, so pollution is actually meant to be happened in Punjab and Haryana only. These wastes create a smoke which pollute the air in such areas. Such smoke travels from Punjab and Haryana to Delhi NCR with flow of air. Let's take a look about the air quality in Punjab, Haryana and Delhi. October is the time when drastic change happens every year. So let's see what happens in this month. What is there in October and what October becomes at its end days. Air quality in Delhi NCR is normally 100 to 200, which means it is not so much good in normal days. Punjab and Haryana have air quality in normal days like below 100. During October, Delhi NCR touched the graph at the point somewhere above 400 and remains constant at this point, 400. On the other hand, Punjab and Haryana touch 400 AQI sometimes only, but AQI actually differed in between 300 to 400. This is the actual case which is actually happens. Now see its recovery. Recovery in Punjab. In Punjab, daily AQI changes, but the AQI comes back to below 300 from 400 plus very soon. Actually, above 400 graph goes to below 300 very frequently, which rises back when crops again starts to burn in large quantity. Like if waste of crops not burned for few days or less crops burn for few days, then the AQI decreases very frequently in such areas. The AQI rises only when waste of crops burn in Punjab. Recovery in Haryana is same as recovery in Punjab. So, why recovery in Punjab and Haryana so frequent? Why recovery is so frequent? Two things should be there in mind. The AQI in normal days, greenery available in these states. AQI in normal days. In normal days, AQI is actually at its best level, and greenery available is creating a margin which can fight with such drastic change. Recovery in Delhi NCR. Let's talk about recovery in Delhi NCR. Generally, it takes a lot of time to recover, and government of Delhi NCR takes some actions also to fight with this pollution, but fails to improve the air quality. Like Delhi NCR's government takes some actions to control traffic pollution too. In Delhi NCR, daily AQI changes, but the AQI takes a lot of time to come back to the normal state. The quality of air will come to moderate level from very poor level only by rain. The AQI rises only when waste of crops burn in Punjab and Haryana. But when rain comes in Delhi NCR, smoke goes down and air quality comes back to its normal graph frequently. If rain will not come, Delhi NCR's people live in such polluted air for 2 to 3 months or above also. But still, one question which actually disturbs our mind: why recovery is so slow? Actual reason behind the recovery in Delhi NCR slower than Punjab and Haryana. We can compare the air quality by its color also. This is the normal color in Punjab and Haryana, and this is the normal color in Delhi NCR. Now we can come on conclusion. This is so due to high availability of plants and trees, actual greenery in Punjab and Haryana, Also not having lot of traffic and factories to make it more polluted. So it has a huge margin to manage such pollution which rises through forest fires. Indeed, recovers easily. Now we can come the conclusion that Punjab and Haryana already have margin to fight with this drastic change happens in October. Okay. What about Delhi NCR? This is a faded green color. Yes. This is because this area already filled with huge pollution. Pollution of traffic, pollution by huge population, pollution due to non-availability of enough plants. So this area doesn't have margin to fight with such drastic changes. And when the pollution come in such areas, we can come on one conclusion that Delhi NCR does not have the margin to fight with such change. So these type of areas get polluted at its highest level, and also it is very risky for lungs to work normally. This smoke is actually injurious to health. Just to conclude everything once again, pollution is already there in Delhi NCR through its own reasons like traffic, pollution and all. But when the time of October come, the waste of crops burn and smoke travels with flow of air from Punjab, Haryana to Delhi in a very large quantity, then this smoke affect Delhi NCR dangerously. So we cannot stop the flow of air. We cannot stop the flow of air, but we can take some precautionary steps by which we can fight with such situation. The state of Punjab and Haryana recover with this drastic change of pollution easily because they don't have a lot of pollution. On the other hand, they have margin to fight with this smoke. This smoke travels to Delhi NCR with flow of air, so no one can control it. What anyone can do in Delhi is try to give initiative in the improvement of air quality and give Delhi NCR a margin to fight with these kind of drastic changes. So it's a situation to Delhi NCR government to take some precautionary steps or some precautions by which we can give Delhi NCR a margin to fight with such situation. Actual fact is we discuss the reasons of air quality improvement and its deterioration, but actually paddy burning in open air is actually not recommendable. Okay, thank you.